Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit or make change to word runs. Now word run is basically how JTLanguage identifies words using the start and stop character indexes in the paragraph. So we're here at the text page, and before I show you how to make changes, let me show you a way to see where the word boundaries are. In the content options pane, which if it's not shown, you can basically toggle the hide or show content options link at the bottom, which will be down here. And there's an option called show words. If I click that, it's going to highlight the words for me. It basically uses the same display as in the text study tool, which will show you the status with the shading, meaning the various statuses of the words. You notice that each word has a little bounding box here, which makes it easier to read for like words that don't use spaces like Japanese. But if you don't want that, you can turn it off with hide, turn it on or off with hide word borders. Okay, let me just turn that off again. And now, I forgot to mention, in this first sentence here, we see the word boundaries, but actually the words don't really line up. Some words are kind of joined together in the kanji and kana, but some are separate in the romaji. This will be more obvious if I go to the edit study list page, and it'll give me a little error message here. Basically, these numbers in the message give the counts, the word counts in the sentences in the language order. Basically, this means that the first two sentences have 7 words, and the third one here, the romaji, has 10. And let's say I basically want to make those the same. So to do editing of the word runs, I click on the little W button here for edit word runs, and it adds a little pane below the paragraph that graphically shows me where the word boundaries are, using little blue markers to show the start and ends of words. Now what I'm going to do is, let's basically break it up so that it's like the romaji, where it's in the smaller words. To do that, you basically select the word. The first one here is just one character, and because there's no spaces, I basically can skip over the next word and select the next word. And likewise, this word I want to split up as well. Then I do it in the kana. Ochichi. And then I click the split or join selected words. In this case, it's going to split the words. Now you see now that it's showing my words as separate and my messages went away. Or you can do the opposite, join multiple words by selecting all the words you want combined and hitting the split or join selected words again. And it put it back the way it was. Okay, let me go back. If you basically want to start over with the automated, you can click the auto reset word runs. One other thing you can do with this tool is to mark phrases. Like in the English, heavenly is one word, but in the Japanese it's actually 2, tenno. The no being a possessive. Let me select the words I want to make a phrase, and then hit toggle phrase. Oh, I forgot the romaji. Now, you see the addition of some little purple markers that mark the phrase start and end boundaries. So I'm done with my changes, so I'll just hit done. And let's go back to the normal text page. It's still in the showing words, and you see how the phrase is highlighted with an extra border, and that my the changes I made to the root ones show up. I can turn that off, go back to normal. And likewise, if you go to the text study page, you see the same thing. And you can turn off the word borders here as well. And that's my demonstration of editing word runs.